Hey chickies, I hope you're doing okay out there. Now today we are doing something sweet, a palate cleanser, so to speak. Anyway, I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. Now, the polishes I'm using today are of course from my own range. Now the first one is called Slightly Pink and we're using that as the base for the flowers. It is a delicious, creamy, ever so slightly pink, hence the name. Very, very beautiful on the nail. Love it. Now the next polish we're going to be using is called Pretty in Pink. And it's not just a pink. It's a nice pink. It's a very nice pink. But it's a pink with a little bit of something special in it. It's got this sort of gold shimmer to it. It's very hard to pick up on camera. If you get yourself a bottle, you will be able to see it. The gold shimmer, I mean. It is really quite subtle, but also not. You can kind of see it in this shot, but it's really not, like, it doesn't do it justice. You would have to get yourself a bottle to see exactly what it looks like. It's really quite beautiful. Now, finally, we're going to be using Minty Fresh. You've seen me use this one before. All the links for all of these polishes are in the description box down below if you want to go and check them out. But yeah, they're all really beautiful. I love this Minty Fresh. It's creamy and delicious. Just, I love mint polish. It's my absolute favourite. So on the nails that we're doing the flowers on, and it's just 2 nails, we're going to be putting on a couple of coats of slightly pink, sorry. Now, as you can see, it's actually quite good on 1 coat, but if you want a good amount of coverage, you want to do 2 coats for sure. Now, once the second coat has dried, you want to go ahead and do some cleanup. For those of you who do enjoy this, enjoy. For those of you who don't, skip ahead now. So the next step is to add the flowers, and we're coming in with Pretty in Pink using a dotting tool. Now what we're going to be doing is we're doing 2 dots with this one, and then a couple of other of the flowers we're doing 3 dots in like a triangle formation, and then I'm just sort of adding another dot right at the very tip, just sort of to make the nail art a little more aesthetically pleasing, or so to speak. I don't know how you would put that, but just to make it come together basically. So once you have your flowers on your nails, or your dot flowers, we're going to go ahead and come in with the green, and this is going to be for the leaves. And again, I'm using Minty Fresh, and I'm just going to be using a very small detail brush, and we're just going to add some leaf-like shapes in and around the flower, like dot shapes, so to speak. And we're going to repeat that on the second nail. You can do this on all of your nails if you want to, or you can do this on one of your nails, or none, of course. I'm not going to preach to you. You don't have to do it on any of your nails if you don't want to. But yeah, so I did it on 2 nails. I really love how this turned out. Absolutely loved it. It was super simple and easy to do. It doesn't require a huge amount of practice or skill or anything like that. You just need a dotting tool. And remember, you don't have to use an actual dotting tool. You can use the end of an old pen that doesn't have the ink in it anymore. So, yeah, or a bobby pin, or a toothpick, whatever you like. Of course, once all of your beautiful artwork is completely dry, you want to go ahead and seal it all in with your favourite top coat, as per usual. And that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I love how it turned out. It was just really super sweet and simple and easy to do, and no pressure, none at all. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Click the link down below so you can go and check out all of the polishes. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, Chicky.